Hey everyone, and welcome back to Microsoft Sphere. The news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and if you blink, you might just miss the next big thing. We've got a packed show for you today, covering everything from major infrastructure agreements to groundbreaking AI advancements and vital tool updates. Get ready, because you're about to get the inside scoop on what's shaping the future, right here, right now. You don't want to miss this. First up, we're diving into a crucial development that's set to impact major projects and local services. A new agreement has been unanimously passed, aiming to satisfy multiple parties involved in providing essential services for a significant planned data center. This move could redefine how services are delivered and managed in the region, bypassing state intervention and setting a new precedent. What does this mean for the project and the communities involved? We've got the details. Then, we're shifting gears to the world of productivity and artificial intelligence. Microsoft is rolling out its highly anticipated Copilot function for Excel, promising to revolutionize how we interact with spreadsheets. Imagine using natural language to command your data. But as with any powerful new tech, there are always limitations and caveats. We're breaking down exactly what this AI can do, and more importantly, what it can't, to help you leverage it effectively. Next, for all you IT pros and system administrators out there, get ready for a game changer. Microsoft has unveiled a new tool designed to make migrating virtual machines from VMware to Hyper-V environments smoother than ever. This could significantly reduce complexity and downtime for critical infrastructure upgrades. We'll explore the features and how it can streamline your operations. And finally, we're looking at how businesses are adapting and growing in the modern work landscape. A key Microsoft partner is making a strategic move, bolstering its modern work practice with new leadership. This appointment signals a commitment to helping businesses unlock even greater productivity and collaboration through Microsoft's suite of tools. What does this mean for companies looking to enhance their digital transformation? Stick around as we break it all down. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Regional water agreement reached. A significant development has occurred in St. Joseph County, Indiana, as the Regional Water and Sewer District Board has unanimously passed a new agreement. This landmark decision aims to resolve disputes and satisfy all parties involved in providing water and sewer services for a planned Microsoft data center near Cleveland Road and Capitol Avenue. The agreement is notable for its success in achieving consensus without the need for state intervention, setting a potential precedent for future regional service collaborations. The core of the agreement focuses on jointly preparing a service territory map for sanitary sewer and water services, with the goal of serving as many users as practical in the Northeast Corridor. This collaborative approach is a direct response to initial disagreements, particularly from the city of Mishawaka, which had previously sought to be the sole provider of services, citing its substantial investment in a new nearby water treatment plant. However, both Granger Water and the county's water and sewer district asserted their jurisdictional claims, leading to a standstill. This new memorandum of understanding aims to draw clear district lines, defining which entity will provide specific water services to the burgeoning data center. The agreement is now set to proceed to the county commissioners and Mishawaka officials for their signatures, expected on Tuesday. This resolution is crucial for the timely progression of the data center project, ensuring clarity and cooperation among essential service providers. The implications extend beyond this single project, potentially offering a model for how regional infrastructure challenges can be addressed through interlocal cooperation and shared service agreements. The successful negotiation highlights a commitment to collaboration over conflict, prioritizing efficient service delivery for a major economic development. The parties involved are the City of Mishawaka's Board of Public Works and Safety, St. Joseph County Board of Commissioners, St. Joseph County Regional Water and Sewer District, and the private utility Granger LLC. Now, hold on to your hats because we're about to dive into the world of AI that might just change how you use spreadsheets forever. Get ready for a deep dive into the capabilities and limitations of Microsoft Excel's new Copilot function. Excel's AI Copilot, Power Meets Practical Limits. Microsoft is aggressively weaving generative AI into its core productivity suite, and the latest major integration is with Microsoft Excel. Following a substantial investment in OpenAI, the company is rolling out Copilot for Excel, a feature designed to leverage natural language prompts directly within spreadsheets. This innovation aims to dramatically simplify complex data tasks, making it easier for users to classify, summarize, categorize information, and brainstorm ideas, thereby boosting efficiency and workflow. The promise is that users can simply type what they need, reference cells, and watch as Copilot generates AI-powered results, transforming how professionals interact with their data. However, Microsoft has issued a clear warning. This powerful new tool is not a universal solution for all Excel challenges. Users are strongly advised against relying on Copilot for any task demanding absolute accuracy or reproducibility, especially when it comes to numerical calculations. This caution stems from the inherent nature of generative AI, which is known to sometimes produce incorrect responses, hallucinate information, or present misleading data. Beyond accuracy concerns, the functionality of Excel Copilot is capped, allowing for a maximum of 100 calls every 10 minutes or 300 calls per hour. Furthermore, it cannot access live web data or internal business documents, limiting its scope. These constraints are particularly significant given that many core Excel use cases involve financial reporting, legal documentation, and other high-stakes scenarios where precision is paramount. The limitations raise questions about the true utility of Copilot in these critical areas. Adding to the complexity, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman himself has expressed concern over the high degree of trust people place in AI like ChatGPT, acknowledging its tendency to hallucinate and advising caution. Microsoft is implementing measures to protect user data, stating that information input into Copilot will not be used to train or improve AI models, ensuring confidentiality. Despite these current limitations, the feature is still in beta, meaning Microsoft may refine its capabilities based on user feedback before a wider release. A Copilot license will also be required to access this new tool. The dual nature of Copilot, its immense potential for streamlining tasks alongside its critical accuracy limitations, presents a new paradigm for users to navigate in their daily productivity. But before we get lost in the world of AI calculations, we're switching gears to essential IT infrastructure. Prepare for a deep dive into a new tool that promises to simplify complex virtual machine migrations. Streamlining VMware to Hyper-V migrations with new Microsoft tool. Microsoft has announced the release of a new VM conversion extension for Windows Admin Center, a development poised to significantly ease the migration process for enterprises moving virtual machines from VMware environments to Hyper-V. This preview tool, officially announced on August 20, 2025, offers a cost-free solution for bulk migrations, emphasizing minimal downtime and the preservation of critical configurations. The extension is designed to handle the migration of up to 10 virtual machines simultaneously, allowing administrators to orchestrate these moves based on intricate factors such as application dependencies, cluster requirements, and defined business boundaries. It supports migration from XC hosts directly to Windows Server failover clusters, providing the scalability needed for demanding enterprise virtualization setups. Key technical features include the persistence of static IP configurations, ensuring network continuity by maintaining the original IP settings from the VMware sources to the Hyper-V destinations. The tool also automates the configuration of secure boot and UEFI templates, incorporating integrated OS type detection to dynamically adjust security settings for both Windows and Linux operating systems, complete with robust error handling for unsupported OS types. The migration workflow leverages change block tracking, CBT technology for efficient data synchronization, and supports multi-disk virtual machine configurations, essential for complex workloads. To utilize the tool, specific prerequisites are noted. VMware Virtual Disk Development Kit, VDDK version 803, and the Power CLI module must be installed via PowerShell command. The extension is compatible with vCenter versions 6X and 7X, and requires Windows Admin Center Gateway v2 version 2410, build 2.4.12.10. Supported guest operating systems span a wide range, including Windows Server versions from 2012 R2 to 2025, and various Linux distributions such as Ubuntu 20.04/24.04, Debian 11.12, and Red Hat Linux 9. For Linux VMs, it's crucial that Hyper-V drivers, specifically Linux Integration Services v43, are pre-installed before initiating migration to ensure successful post-migration boot operations. The VDDK package needs to be extracted to a specific directory on the Windows Admin Center gateway machine. The migration process includes comprehensive pre-checks to ensure the environment is ready, verifying factors like the absence of active snapshots and sufficient resources on destination hosts. Post-migration, administrators have the option to convert dynamic VHDX files to fixed size using a provided PowerShell command. Current limitations include the necessity for manual VMware tools removal after migration and the requirement for active browser sessions throughout the migration. The tool currently does not support VSAN environments or migration to Azure Local, focusing strictly on on-premises Hyper-V deployments. Now that we've covered the heavy lifting in IT infrastructure, let's look at how businesses are evolving. We're heading over to a leading Microsoft partner that's making significant moves to enhance its modern work practice. Boyer & Associates strengthens modern work practice with new leadership. Boyer & Associates, a prominent US-based Microsoft partner, has announced a strategic expansion of its modern work practice with the appointment of Chris Svensson as its new Modern Work Enablement Director. This move underscores the company's commitment to helping small and mid-sized businesses enhance productivity and collaboration by fully leveraging the Microsoft 365 toolset. Launched in 2024, Boyer's modern work practice was established to guide clients in adopting Microsoft 365, including its AI-powered Copilot features, alongside essential data security and compliance solutions. With Svensson now leading this division, the practice is set to broaden its service offerings and deepen its impact on client success. Boyer's CEO, Lee Whitcup, expressed confidence in Svensson's capabilities, stating, "Chris brings a wealth of experience and a visionary approach to modern work. His background in large-scale Microsoft deployments and user adoption strategies makes him the ideal leader to guide our customers as they prepare for their AI journey." Svensson brings over 2 decades of IT experience, notably playing a key role in migrating 150,000 users at Shell USA from on-premise SharePoint to the online version. He is also a recognized subject matter expert for Microsoft certification exams, holding more than 150 certifications himself. Svensson articulated his client-focused philosophy. "I like in general helping clients out, making sure that they get the most out of their investments. A lot of times that could be that the client is not aware they are already paying for a specific functionality or they're not utilizing it fully. Then I can help them basically increase their ROI." Beyond his technical acumen, Svensson emphasizes user enablement and change management, critical elements for successful adoption of modern workplace technologies. His leadership is expected to foster a culture of digital transformation and continuous improvement among Boyer's clientele. Boyer & Associates, founded in Minneapolis, Minnesota in 1994, has built a reputation as a trusted Microsoft partner for over 30 years. The firm specializes in the sale, implementation, and support of Microsoft business applications, including ERP, CRM, and modern work solutions, and holds a Microsoft Solutions Partner certification for modern work. This strategic reinforcement of its modern work practice is anticipated to create new avenues for businesses seeking to empower their employees, enhance collaboration, and streamline operations through digital transformation initiatives powered by Microsoft technologies. And that's a wrap on our top stories for today. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. That's all the news you need to know. We saw a crucial regional water agreement solidify infrastructure plans. Excel's new Copilot brings AI power, but with important accuracy limits. Microsoft's new tool simplifies VMware to Hyper-V migrations, and a key partner is boosting its modern work capabilities with new leadership. Don't miss out on any future updates. Like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, and hit that notification bell. Also, follow us on our social channels for more insights. Let us know in the comments which story you found most impactful.